Explain as a science teacher, 09. 9.1. Formation of umbra and penumbra. Pay your attention to figure 9.1. It shows some instances where umbrae or shadows are formed. In our day-to-day life, umbrae or shadows can be seen frequently. How do umbrae or shadows form? Let us do the activity 9.1 to investigate this. Activity 9.1. You will need a candle, a white screen, a small ball. Method. Place the lighted candle on a table, keep the ball in front of it, and obtain the umbra of the ball on a screen or on a wall. Here, the shadow or the umbra of the ball can be clearly observed on the screen. An umbra of the ball is formed on the screen because the light emitted from the candle does not pass through the opaque ball. Let us do activity 9.2 to study about umbrae further. Activity 9.2. You will need an electric torch, a screen, a small ball, a translucent glass sheet, a cardboard sheet, a transparent glass. Method. Place the lighted electric torch, the transparent glass sheet, and the ball as shown in the figure 9.3, and obtain the umbra of the ball on a screen or on a wall. Observe the nature of the umbra. A sharp umbra is formed on the screen when transparent glass sheet is placed before the ball. Then replace the transparent glass sheet with the translucent glass sheet and observe the umbra formed. A blurred umbra is formed when translucent glass sheet is placed. Finally, replace the translucent glass sheet with the cardboard sheet and see whether an umbra of the ball can be obtained. No umbra is formed when cardboard sheet is placed because light does not travel through a cardboard sheet. Compare your observations with those given: transparent glass sheet, translucent glass sheet, and cardboard sheet, sharp umbra, blurred umbra, and no umbra. The length and the direction of shadows differ due to the angle and the direction of sunlight falling on objects. In ancient times, the length of umbrae or shadows were used as arbitrary units to measure time, e.g., sundial, figure 9.5 sundial. Various artistic creations can be done with umbrae or shadows. Some such creations done with hand and fingers are shown. Figure 9.6. Some creations done with umbra. Assignment 9.1. Test whether you can do creations like those shown in figure 9.6. Present a collection of such creations with your friends. The length and the direction of shadows differ due to the angle and the direction of sunlight falling on objects. In ancient times, the length of umbrae or shadows were used as arbitrary units to measure time. In concerts, creations done using shadows are popular in the field of art today. Some such instances are shown in figure 9.7. Assignment 9.2. Enjoy watching artistic creations of shadows on the internet or in video clips. Explore and be inspired. Remember, opaque objects block light to form umbrae, translucent materials give blurred umbrae, and opaque barriers stop light completely. Shadow edges can appear sharp or blurred depending on how light passes through or is blocked. You observed how umbrae or shadows form and how materials change the nature of the umbra. Great work exploring light and shadow.